Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and we're going to head up to the north end of the Vegas Strip to the Wynn Plaza Shops. This is yet another high-end mall, and it's located between the Wynn Hotel Casino and the Encore Hotel Casino, both owned by Steve Wynn. And as with any Steve Wynn property, everything here is top-notch and first class. The mall features some great shops as well as some unique and really fine art. I'd like to give a shout out to Rob Murray, who found Mitzi the Rubber Ducky Showgirl in my Harris video. Congratulations, Rob. Good job. Just like Cabby in many of my New York videos, Mitzi the Las Vegas Rubber Ducky Showgirl shows up on many of my Vegas videos, including this one. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's very elusive, so keep your eyes open for her. If you spot her, note the time and leave a comment below. We'll give you a shout out on our next Vegas video. For those of you with plans to visit exciting Las Vegas, I suggest the Foder's Las Vegas Guide. It's written by locals and has lots of insider tips. Lots of pull-out maps and descriptions that will help you plan your visit with ease. You can check it out by clicking on the link in this video's description. It's the best guide out there to Las Vegas, and I wouldn't leave home without it, neither should you. This New York video has been brought to you by Audible, the world's largest selection of audiobooks. Listen anytime, anywhere you like to professionally narrated audiobooks, including bestsellers, new releases, sci-fi, romance, classics, and many, many more. Click on the link in this video's description for a free 30-day trial. As part of the trial, you get 2 free audiobooks to start with and 30% off any future audiobook purchases. Cancel anytime. Your books are yours to keep even if you do cancel. It's a great deal and you have nothing to lose by trying it out. As always, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please like, comment, and subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. On the right, you can click on my playlist of narrated photo videos or my playlist of walking 4K videos. Thanks again, and I'll see you around the city.